Hi guys, I'm super excited today to show you this vlog on my recent art workshop. So we arrived at the venue and we took all the materials out. This place is Aaromale Cafe at Nagar. It's a very beautiful place with wooden ambience and green around.
You're not a bakery of life. Equip my soul, find the real gold. I'll fulfill what I started.
So our workshop is in the second floor, so let's go there. This is our place for today, and we started to prepare this place for the workshop before participants enter. So we have covered all the tables with butter sheets and arranged the easels and rest of the material. And the participants came and they settled in their places, was giving them some introductions and instructions to start the painting. So this workshop's theme is a beautiful sunset with mountain ranges and deer as a foreground. So we started with our background and gradually we have moved on painting the mountain ranges. This is a step-by-step guided workshop and any beginner can come and create a beautiful artwork. Everyone is doing so great. I usually give them demo by painting on the canvas in front of them and go to their places to address any doubts if they have. I also show them some techniques to make it more easier. The workshop is actually for 2 hours. You can come have a sip of a mocktail of your choice and paint, socialize with the other art enthusiasts, make friends and take home your beautiful painting. This is one of the best activities that you can spend at the weekends with your friends, family, kids, and have some quality time for yourself. Once the background is done, I gave them the prints of the deer to trace. Because most of the participants attending my workshop are the beginners or art enthusiasts and kids. So it should be easy for them to achieve this theme, right? Also for the enhancement, we have added a sun in the background. And there are 2 variations. Few people have added at the corner and some of them added at the center. Both look really pretty. So we came to an end. Everybody's artwork is done and they are kind of wrapping up and taking pictures. I should really appreciate and thank the participants for exploring their creative side and spending some quality time from their busy schedule in this therapeutic experience. If you want to participate in my next workshop like this, send me a message on my Instagram page, Purple Nest Crafts. The link you can see in the description as well. Everybody looks so happy with their work. If you like me, my artwork and the work I do, please subscribe. And also share this video to people who might be interested in. That would be a great support and encouragement for me. That's all for today. See you in my next video. Bye bye.